So today I'm gonna do a little morning in my life vlog. I literally just decided to do this 2 seconds ago, so yeah. Ignore my hair. Anyway. First I'm gonna make my coffee. I've been really into cold foam lately, so I think I'm gonna make some cold foam coffee. So yeah, I'll show you guys how to do that. Okay, so for the cold foam, I like to use half and half, and then I use a mixture of vanilla and caramel coffee syrup. They're both sugar-free. And then I put it in this little like foam maker for coffee. It didn't really foam. I think it's because the actual like machine was warm before, but it's okay. I'm going upstairs now to my room because I gotta clean my room. So this is what my room looks like right now. It's kind of a mess. I literally cleaned it yesterday, and then last night I couldn't sleep, so I was like doing random stuff around my room. Duchess is grabbing stuff, so that's why it looks really messy, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean that really quick, and I'll see you guys in a minute. I always like to start any cleaning process by lighting a candle. This is my favorite one right now. I got it from like a local crystal shop, but it's so cute because it has little rose quartz crystals in it, and it smells amazing. So I'm gonna light that really quick. So I finished cleaning my room, but I realized that I had this Chanel box and I had no idea what was in it. So I opened it and I had these little Chanel cotton pads, which I don't remember ever buying them, but I kind of do. So let's do a little unboxing because I've never opened them. They have the little Chanel logo and they're really soft. Wow! So here they are. I had no idea that I had these. This is so cool. I just put my hair up in a claw clip, and now I have to go vacuum, so I'm gonna go do a couple chores. I have to do my laundry too. So yeah, I got my Beats. These are literally so old. They're from sophomore year, and let me show you. So they are broken. I mean, they still work. They're just a little bit down bad. And you can see like I've glued it 6 times, like so many, but they're cute though. I almost fell. Okay, anyway. Okay, I finished my chores, so now it's time to eat some breakfast. I finished eating my pancakes. They're actually really good. I never use a recipe when I make those kinds of things, and it actually turned out pretty good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready for work. I actually have a lunch shift today, which I usually have the dinner shift, but every now and then I'll get a lunch shift in there, so I'm gonna get ready. Okay, I just finished my makeup, and now I'm gonna go put on an outfit and film some shorts for today so I can schedule them and have them go up while I'm at work. I finished filming my shorts, and then I put on my work shirt and started my hair, and then I have to put my hat on and then like do the rest of the claw clip, so yeah. But now I'm gonna go ahead and start editing this video on my iPad because I still have about 30 minutes until I have to leave for work. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Join the family. I love you guys so much. Have an amazing day.